Hello guys, so I just wanted to share my thoughts on this keyboard by Sinda, and there's actually I'm actually really impressed with this keyboard. There's only one thing I don't like very much, and I'll be telling you that right now. So what I can tell you is that the quality of this keyboard feels pretty good. It feels really nicely done, and here on the back you have this raised area here that will give you some inclination. I don't feel that it's going to be enough, and probably you may still need to add more, add something on the back to give you more, but that's going to depend on you. um, the only thing I can tell you is the weight. This one weighs almost 2 pounds, so that's something that I'm not a big fan of. It kind of feels heavy, and also the length of the keyboard, it also feels a little bit too big. So it measures around 14 inches, and I bought another one before which didn't have this numerical keys here. So it was about this size. So if we remove those keys, so that one was really nice, and it felt more portable. But I really like this one here because you also have this numerical keys here if you're doing a lot of calculation, but also they give you extra space here to be able to put a tablet or phone. And that other one that I purchased, it was much narrower than this. So this one offers you more space. And with the other one, I noticed that I had to remove the case from the phone. And with this one, I can put a thick case here, because this middle one, as you can see, it actually opens a little bit more here to give you some more room. And so that's really nice here. You don't need to remove the case. You can probably place your phone here and also a tablet. And because this one offers you 4 different Bluetooth connection, you can switch between them and work on both if you need to. So that's something that I like about it. Um, so as for the keys, they're going to feel like a laptop keys. So if I do a sound test here, you can, so that you can hear. So it feels it I like that it's also very quiet, and you're not going to disturb other people. So this one, it's more designed for you to whenever you're traveling, and you can work on your phone if you need to do something. uh, the keys are, as I mentioned, it feels like a laptop key, but I do feel that they're a little bit harder, and they have this nice firmness that I like, and I feel like they're going to last much longer. Something that I don't like here is going to be the light. As you can see, the upper row here, you can see how some of the light is just coming out of the gap here, and it's a little bit distracting here. So depending on how the angle you have it, so if you um, increase it a little bit more, you're gonna see even more of that light coming out of the of that gap, and that's not something that happens with all the keyboards. So the correct way should be like this. So as you can see, you some all the keys have some light, but they're not actually coming out really strongly like this. So if I place it like this, and this is how usually I will have it, and I can see all that light coming out. So it's not a big deal, but it's kind of a little bit distracting, and it's also sometimes it could be a little confusing seeing so much light here, and you want to type a letter and you see so much light. But that's the only thing I can tell here with this keyboard. Everything else I kind of it feels really good actually. And yeah, I actually, whenever I don't like something, I will tell you, but actually I do like it and I would recommend it. So if you found this video helpful, your likes will be appreciated. If you also consider subscribing for any future videos, and if you have any comments or questions, let me know in the comment section, or also just leave a joke. So thank you for watching and see you next time.